There. Okay, so in my attempt to try and put all of these scattered puzzle pieces that lay before me together, I recently had another thought. Do you guys remember all of the talk and videos about the strange noises in the sky? You know, the booms and I guess the trumpet-like sounds. I know a lot of religious people had their thoughts about, the trumpets being blown in the sky and all that. But some of them, to me, sounded, even slightly mechanical, as if some giant, I mean, this is what I envisioned, some giant piece of machinery in the sky was all rusted and it was breaking down and the wheels were trying to turn. Anyhow, for those of you that aren't familiar with this, there are many articles out there. There have been news broadcasts, and people all across the world have made their own personal videos capturing this strange noise. From what I can tell, it appears that it began in 2011, but I could be wrong about that, so don't take that with a grain of salt. And remember, this has been worldwide, not just a few people here and there. To give you an example, just in the middle of January of this year, there were reports, from the UK, Dubai, Canada, Singapore, in the US, Florida, Wisconsin, and then Norway, just to give you a few examples. I'll play you a news clip and then just a couple clips from videos of people who recorded this sound for those of you that have not heard this.
11 now. It's a nervous night for residents of Fair Lawn, New Jersey, wondering if it will happen again. For about a week there, the area has been plagued by loud, booming sounds. Problem is, no one knows where the sound is coming from.
We were looking at each other like, what was that?
It happened twice in the past week to Danielle McManus and her family. While inside their home, in a usually very quiet Fair Lawn neighborhood, things went bump in the night.
If we didn't know any better, it almost sounded like a cannon. It was so deep and just echoey.
Elsewhere in this neighborhood along the Passaic River, residents say they've heard loud booms as early as 6 p.m. and as late as 2 in the morning.
It's like, psh.
Sorry if that's glitchy for you guys. Then, let's see, we've got... Yeah, I just picture these big gears that are just rusted and they need some WD-40. Okay, and then I'll do one more here. Okay, and so here are some, oh, before I get into that, there is an article by, NASA, and then they have a video here as well. I'll do that real quick before I talk about NASA. Ooh, loud. I haven't heard this myself, but that would kind of freak me out if I heard that. It sounds mechanical. Okay, stop. So, NASA goes on to talk about it. In their explanation, see, from the scientific perspective, NASA's administration in the U.S. has formulated that the strange phenomenon as Earth's background sound, which occurs naturally and not some extraterrestrial spaceships, which was not my thought. but I'm sure some people have thought that. We could actually hear the typical strains of symphony in the sound of strange storm coming from our planet and not an alien spaceship, said NASA's spokesperson. According to NASA, the sound, which is pretty similar to the sound of a trumpet's echo, could be equal to the background music score which we normally hear from sci-fi movies, though such sounds are coming directly from the Earth. NASA further explains that such phenomenon is natural and occurs all the time. However, due to the human's restrictive hearing ability, it couldn't detect the sounds when it doesn't occur in a high volume. So, yeah, that's NASA's take on it. And I don't know, you can believe that if you want to believe that. But here are my thoughts and my questions. Maybe those sounds are parallel worlds, touching, merging, colliding, however you want to put it. I mean, it seems to me that if something as huge as parallel worlds or universes were bumping into each other or affecting each other in some way, that there would be some noise or vibration or something else physical besides our memories getting confused and overlapped and shit being fucked up like it is right now for all of us experiencing the Mandela quantum effect. I mean, don't you think? I don't know. And one final thought too, I wonder if CERN was doing anything special at the time when people noticed these sounds worldwide, I don't think like this is happening all the time, so when there's these sudden bursts worldwide of these sounds, I wonder what's going on. So this was just another one of my random puzzle piece thoughts. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think, if I'm just being goofy again, or if maybe you think there might be something to this as well. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later.